Morning everyone, welcome to Rediscover to the World. Today we are in Manchester and we are covering that Asian market in Manchester. Wilmslow Road. Well, this road is famous for Asian market and mainly for the if you want a cake shop. Ambala is here. So here's the Ambala sweets. Like you can get Indian samosa, a lot of Indian stuff here, sweets and yeah, that's the Manchester bus here. Yeah. It's another Indian shop here. Yeah, so this is open.
Yeah.
You wanna go now? Stop. Let's just get the.
Maybe on the way back.
Yeah. So that called Wilmslow Street Asian Market in Manchester. We are here for I think second time, and you will find a lot of Indian, Pakistani, Middle East restaurant here. A lot of restaurants here. Oh, there's a Kodak Chat. Do you want to try a Kodak Chat? They're open. You can see there's a Kodak Chai here. Okay. So what we can do today, we can have the breakfast first, snacks, and then probably we'll go for another.
Chai.
No, the lunch.
Okay.
So we will take the snacks first, and then probably we'll have our. Yeah. Lots of shops. Oh, I can do my cutting here. अरे बोलो. here. So we have here Lahori Ice Bar, Afghan cuisine, Lahori, Zarfasan, Nirala. So what we are planning here today morning is we will go for a breakfast first. We'll have snacks,
Yeah.
tea and snacks, and then we'll go for another round, and then we will have a proper lunch. So we will go to two different restaurants. This is the yummy one.
So
We are,
you can try more things there.
so we are before 10 o'clock here. We are here 10 o'clock. So I think most of the shops restaurants are closed,
Mostly they will open at 11.
and mostly they open at 11 o'clock. But there are few restaurants open where we can try tea and snacks
Yeah.
after. So there is a Turkish restaurant here, Istanbul restaurant. Yeah,
Film.
Kadak Chai. There is the taste of Khyber, Afghanistan restaurant, My Peshawar, My Kabul. I mean, and you won't find anywhere apart from that street in Manchester so many Asian restaurants that include Middle East, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India.
Shawarma.
Palestinian Middle Eastern restaurant यहाँ पे भी है. Yeah, I think we are reaching to the end. So we'll take the red light from the U-turn. We'll go from there. It's just there's so many just street people here. Just street, very. That is close to the car. Yeah, let's go from there. If you want any mobile charger or anything, you can go here, the wiring. Do you want to take less time or do you want to go straight to it?
I think this one.
That's it. Let's take the U-turn there.
There is a parking over there also. I can see the Great Western
Yeah,
Street.
Great Western Street parking.
Yeah.
You can park their car in Great Western Street. We park in a recipe.
I think there is a stop.
Yeah.
Take the road out. There are plenty of buses also. This 43 bus comes.
Yeah, so 43 is bus coming from airport.
They don't feel like driving.
Come on. This is plus the
Cycle.
today exchange rate 145.40. Yeah. What karahi? So there are so many Middle East, Indian, Chinese, Asian, Afghanistan, Pakistan. There's so many restaurants here. If you're coming here in Manchester, that street name called Wilmslow Road. Yeah, there's Istanbul restaurant just in front of me. They've captured the street as well. That area. This is from chips. Just big chips. So many pizza shop. This one is Afghan cuisine. There is a Delhi Sweet Center. And here is a job center plus. We're looking for a job, we can come here. Job center plus. And here is Sanam restaurant.
So food lovers are going to really love.
Yeah, the food lovers are going to love this food.
That's called as hookah.
Yeah, that's called hookah. Here you can come if you love smoking. Oh, there is a restaurant called Jalebi, Sanam Jalebi.
Sanam's jalebi, yeah. So I think we have covered
Today's restaurant, deep fresh restaurant, so many restaurants here. Jilani. There's a pharmacy as well, fried chicken. Wanna try collection here?
Maybe we can try the other one.
Okay.
That's the kitchen.
Which one is it? Huh?
It's on the left.
Chit and Chaat.
Yeah.
Azadi Milk Market, Syrian Market. Are they open? Are they closed? They open. Okay. Come on. So today, yeah, we're trying this Indian Chit and Chaat, Indian street food. Hot honey. Okay. Let's go. Morning. Can we have or two? Do you have anything in breakfast?
Yes.
You want to sit here or there? Yes, so I will
Oh yeah, I can go sit in the actually the table we didn't wipe.
Sorry?
I need to wipe the table.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Can we sit here then?
yeah, we can.
It's just because the smell is too strong.
I didn't get you.
No, I'm saying the smell is too strong.
Okay, strong. Okay.
So that's called Chit and Chat, Indian restaurant, Indian street food. So we'll have our breakfast here. We'll see what we can get. So we are in Chit Chat Indian restaurant, Indian street restaurant. It's a very nice restaurant, looking nice. Decoration is quite nice here. Yeah, you can see the decoration here. So what we ordered 2 masala chai, which is 2 masala tea, and 1 gobi paratha, and 1 chola bhatura, which is more Indian snacks. Restaurant name is Chit and Chat Indian street food. We're trying, I think, second time. This is a very nice restaurant. If you are here for snacks or maybe lunch, and they will have plenty of varieties. So we'll show you.
Breakfast is till 12 and then after 12 lunch.
Yeah, so breakfast till 12 o'clock, and then after 12 o'clock they will serve proper lunch. And the breakfast menu you've already seen. If not seen, I will show you the breakfast menu. You can see the breakfast menu here.
With all kinds of dosas, parathas.
There are plenty of varieties: paratha, chole bhature, halwa. There's a lot of stuff here. So we'll see how it works. Chit Chat Indian street food, very nice food. I would suggest to try next time. We are done with the Chit Chat food.